The Lamella clarifier is an up-to-date technological equipment for chemical water purification and water treatment. The Lamella clarifier consists of the following technological parts: coagulation reactor with a turbostirrer, flocculation chambers with a slow-speed axial stirrer, lamella separator fitted with a special built-in tubular lamellas, The coagulation reactor is used for the first phase of the chemical flocculation. Microfloccules are created in the reactor using coagulants. Then, after adding a polymer solution, macroflakes or floccules are created in the flocculation chamber, with the flocculation stirrer acting. Individual microflakes are joined into bigger clusters. A flocculated suspension flows into the lamella separator. The suspension flows under the built-in lamellas, and subsequently, by flowing through, the sludge is separated from the pure water. The purified water flows through overflow edges and channels into the following technological process. The sludge particles settle in the sludge cone of the lamella settling tank. Separated sludge thickens up partially in this space. Lamella clarifiers are used mainly in technological processes for drinking water treatment, industrial water purification, power industry, and for the tertiary treatment of municipal water. The Lamella clarifier set is a compact technological line for chemical water treatment and purification.